Kids, open your numeracy skill book to the page number 146. Today we are going to write number 45. So write in the middle of the page CW and in the left corner of the page write today's date, that is 28/11/2020. Today we are going to write number 45. So now they have given you crayons. We'll just count the crayons and start writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Till here we have counted number 40. And then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We have till here we have counted number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 40 में 5 मिलाने के बाद हमें कौन सा नंबर मिलेगा? 45. 40 में 5 मिलाने के बाद 4, 5, 45. Okay, so we'll now just trace on the given dots. Okay, for writing 45 you have to trace on the number 4 first, then on the 5. So you will get the number 45. Okay, 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. In the given boxes you have to write in the full box. You have to trace on the dots, given dots, very neatly. Okay, and when you are writing, say and write 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. Like this you have to say and write. Okay, after finishing your number 45, you are having next number, that is 46. After 45 the number is 46. Again write CW and today's date. Now we'll count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So till here we have counted 40. And after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many crayons are here after 40? 6. So 40 में 6 मिलाने से हमें क्या number मिलेगा? 46. So now let's see how to write number 46. On the given dots you have to trace very neatly. First trace on the number 4, then on the number 6. So we will get 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. After tracing on the given dots, you have to write in the empty boxes. Okay, 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. Like this you have to say and write. Okay, after that you have to open your maths notebook and you have to write number 45 and 46 as a homework. Okay, 2 lines में 45 number and 2 lines में 46 number in your maths notebook you have to write. Okay, after that open your phonics book to the page number 38. Write CW and today's date, that is 28/11/2020. Read aloud the words in the boxes. Note the sound of A, E, I, O and U in H. Okay, the sound of A is A. Today we'll just read out the words. A, ant, A-N-T, ant. N-T, ant. X-E-X. Okay, A-X-E, X. C-A-P, cap. K-A-P, cap. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Okay, the sound of A is A. So we are saying these words like A. Okay, A-N-T, ant. ant, 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 ant. So now just see the difference. Okay, the a in this word, the a is starting in the word. Okay, ए अक्षर, ए जो लेटर है वो पहले है, एंड इन दिस CAP कैप वर्ड द ए इज इन द मिडल ऑफ द, in the between of the two letters, but here the a is starting at the word, so the sound comes same, the sound comes same. So ant, ant, a ant, ant. Okay, now again see, the first letter is E. Till now we have learned the letter which are these vowels coming in the between of the two words. Here they have given starting and between. Okay, so you have to say the words very neatly. E G G egg, a g g egg, b e d bed, e n g I n e engine. अगर वो पहले भी आता है और बीच में भी आता है लेकिन उनका साउंड चेंज नहीं होता. ओके, ENGINE engine, NET net, NET net, INK ink, the sound of I is E, INK ink, IGLOO igloo, PIN pin, MILK milk. O, the next letter is O. The sound of O is O. OX ox, ORANGE orange, BOY boy, TOP top, top top. Then you have letter U. Okay, the letter U. The sound of U is A. Okay, the sound of U is A. UMBRELLA umbrella. पहले अगर आया तो भी उसका साउंड अ आएगा और बीच में आया तो भी अ आएगा. UNCLE uncle, TUB tub, PUP pup. So these words you have to say very neatly with the phonic sound and with the spelling. Okay, after that open your GK book. Vinita ma'am has taught you about domestic and wild animals. We'll just go through the domestic animals and wild animals. Next I will teach you the topic about water animals. Okay, the domestic animals are cow, hen, goat, rabbit, camel, cat, horse, dog. ये animals हम घर पे भी रख सकते हैं. Okay, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. ये एनिमल्स हमारे साथ रह सकते हैं. दे कैन लिव विथ अस, दे कैन लिव विथ अस इन आ हाउस ऑल्सो. सो वी कॉल देम domestic animals and they will not harmful for us. Okay, on the next page you are having wild animals: tiger, zebra, lion, elephant, giraffe. These all are living in the forest, so we call them wild animals. They can't live with us. Okay, so on the next page, page number 42, you are having water animals. The next topic is water animals. Okay, see, some animals lives in a water. ये जो water animals है वो कहाँ रहते हैं? पानी में. So we call them water animals. Octopus, dolphin, then you have whale, small fishes, starfish. Okay, tortoise or turtle, crab, starfish, small fishes like this. Then you have lobster. See, again they have given the picture of tortoise. So these all are called as water animals क्योंकि वो कहाँ रहते हैं? पानी में रहते हैं. Okay, on the next page. So आपको समझ में आया वाटर एनिमल्स किसे कहते हैं? जो पानी में रहते हैं. Who lives in the water, we call them as a water animals. Okay, on the next page, the next topic is animals on land and water. Okay, write CW and today's date. Such, see, animals on land and water means जो land पे भी रहते हैं और जो पानी में भी रहते हैं. Okay, some animals such as cow, tiger and camel live on land. See, cow, tiger, camel, फिर रैबिट, जो भी एनिमल्स है जो लैंड पे रहते हैं उन्हें लैंड एनिमल्स भी बोलते हैं। ओके, जो एनिमल्स है वो लैंड पे रहते हैं उन्हें लैंड एनिमल्स बोलते हैं, और जो पानी में रहते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? वाटर एनिमल्स। सम एनिमल्स सच एज क्रोकोडाइल, एलिगेटर, फ्रॉग कैन लिव बोथ ऑन लैंड एंड इन वाटर। ये जो डोमेस्टिक, ये जो वाइल्ड एनिमल और डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स हैं, डोमेस्टिक एंड वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है, where they lives on the land. Okay, they lives on land, but some animals like this fish, some likes fishes, they lives in the water, so they called water animals, and who lives on the land they call land animals. But such animals are there, they which are can live in the water also and on the land also. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल क्रोकोडाइल, क्रोकोडाइल आपको पता है ना, क्रोकोडाइल, देन फ्रॉग, ओके, एलिगेटर, एलिगेटर मीन्स बड़ा वाला क्रोकोडाइल, जो बड़ा क्रोकोडाइल रहता है उसे एलिगेटर बोलते हैं, और जो छोटा मतलब उनमें भी टाइप्स रहते हैं। ओके, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज वाटर एंड लैंड एनिमल्स because they live on both. Okay, they live both on land and in the water also, so they called land and water animal. तो आपको समझ में आया ये टॉपिक? ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज राइट, दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क पेज. ओके, दिस इज योर होमवर्क पेज. राइट HW and left corner today's date. Say the names of these animals. Write L for land and W for water animals. आपको क्या करना है? जो लैंड में रहते हैं उनके सामने L लिखना है, और जो वाटर में रहते हैं उनके सामने क्या लिखना है? W. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज़ एन एलिफेंट. ये पानी में रहता है या ज़मीन पे रहता है? ऑब्वियसली दिस लिव्स ऑन लैंड, सो यू शुड राइट हियर L. Now this is dolphin. Dolphin lives in water or land? Yes, obviously it lives in water. So write W here. Okay, like this you have to do this activity. Thank you.